Good morning students. In previous class we have learnt about factors and multiples. Okay, factors. For example, 3 4s are 12 is there. Here 3 and 4 are the factors and 12 is a multiple of 3 and 12 is a multiple of 4. Okay, 12 is a multiple and 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Okay. In previous class I have already said about factors. Now let us learn about finding factors. Finding factors of any numbers. Okay, finding factors. And these finding factors, we can find factors in two ways. Okay, by the two methods we can find the factors. That is, first one by multiplication. Okay, by multiplication we can find factors, and by division. Okay, by multiplication also we can find factors, and by division also we can find factors. Okay, first by multiplication. To find the factors of a number by multiplication, you should know your tables. Okay, you should get tables, then only we can find the factors of any numbers. Okay, by multiplication. By division, to find the factors of a number, divide the number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and check if there is a remainder. Okay, if you get the remainder is 0, then the number is the factor of that number. Okay, for example, first question is there. For example, find the factors of 24 is there. Find the factors of 24. Okay, I will explain these two methods. Okay, first I will do by multiplication. I will find the factors by multiplication. Okay, by multiplication. Yes, first we have to check one table. In one table we will get 24. Yes, 1 24 is 24. So 1 and 24 are, this 1 and 24 are the factors of 24. Okay, next, now let us find in two table. One table completed, so two table. In two table we will get 24. Yes, 2 12s are 24. Okay, so here 2 and 12, these two are also factors of 24. Okay, next, in 3 table. In 3 table we will get 24. 8. 3 8s are 24. So 3 and 8 both are also factors of 24. Okay, next, in 4th table we will get 24. Yes, 4 6 are 24. Okay, here 4 and 6 both are also factors. Next, in 5 table. In 5 table we will get 24. No, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. We will not get 24. So 5 is not a factor of 24. Okay, next we have to check 6 table. Already we got 6 as a factor, so up to here we have to leave this problem. Okay, look here, therefore the factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. These all are the factors of 24. This is finding factors by multiplication. Now for the same question, for the same number 24, we will find the factors by division. Okay, we will find the factors by division. Okay, very simple. We have to divide the number by 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers. Okay, first 1 is a factor for every number, so 1 and the number itself will be the factor. Okay, 1 and 24 are factors. Okay, Next, factors of 24. Next we have to divide this 24 by 2. 24 divided by 2. Okay, we will do here 24. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We will write this 4 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, here we got remainder 0. So this 2 is a factor for 24. We will get here 12. So 2 and 12 are factors. Okay, 2 and 12 are factors. Now we will divide 24 by 3. Okay, in 3 table when we get 24, yes, 3 8s are 24. So 3 and 8 are also factors of 24. Okay, next we will divide by 4. In 4 table when we get 24, 4 6 are 24. So 4 and 6 are factors of 24. Next, 5 table. Look, divide by 5. It is not possible. So 5 is not the factor of 24. Okay, 6 is already written here. So up to here we have to leave. So the answer, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Means we got same answer. Okay, by multiplication also, by division also we will get same answer. Okay, this is finding factors. Now I will explain one more example for you. Example 2. Okay, find the factors of 48 is it. Okay, find the factors of 48 by multiplication. Okay, we have to find the factors of 48 by multiplication. Okay, first 1 is a factor for every number. So 148 is a 48. So 1 and 48 are the factors of 48. Are the factors. Now let's find 2. Okay, 2 24 is a 48. Okay, we can find these by division also. 48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. So 24s are 2 24s are 48. So 2 and 24 are the factors. Okay, next 3. In 3 table we will get 48. Yes, we will do division here. 48 divided by 3. Okay, 48 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 and we'll write here 8. 3 6 are 18. Okay, so we'll get 16. 3 16s are 48. So here 3 and 16 are the factors. Next, 4 table. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 and 4 12s are 48. So 4 and 12 are the factors. Okay, next in 5 table, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. We will not get 48. So 5 is not a factor. Okay, next 6 table. 6 8s are 48. So here 6 and 8 are the factors. Okay, next 7 table. 7 sevens are 49, will not get 48. 7 is also not the factor, okay, not a factor of 48. So here 8 is already factor given, so no need to find from here, okay. Up to here only we will complete this, okay. Now look here, 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 48. These are the factors of 48. The factors of 48 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 48, okay. These all are the factors of 48, okay. This is by multiplication. If we don't know here 2 in 2 table, we don't know 48 will get or not, but at that time we have to do division, okay. Okay, this is by multiplication. I will explain one more example for you on division, okay. Third example, okay, third example. Look here, for example, find the factors of 63 by division. Find the factors of 63 by division, okay. By division we have to find the factors, okay. Look here, 1 is a factor for every number, so 1 and 63 are factors. 1 and 63 are factors of 63. Next, we have to divide these 63 by 2, okay. If you get remainder 0, then 2 is a factor of 63. If you not get remainder 0, then 2 is not the factor of 63, okay. Look here, 63 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0, will get 3 here. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. We got remainder 1. So 2 is not the factor of 63, okay. Now we'll find by dividing 3, okay. 3 2s are 6. 3 will be written here. 6 minus 6 0. 3 will be written here. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. We got remainder 0. So 3 is also factor of 63. So we'll write here 63 divided by 3 equal to, what answer we got here? 21, okay, 21. Here 3 and 21 are factors of 63, are factors of 63, okay. Now we'll divide 63 by 4. 63 by 4. In 4 table we'll get 63. Look, 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, and we'll write this 3 here. 6 4 5s are 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. We got remainder 3. So we got remainder 3 here. So this 4 is not the factor of 63. Now we'll divide by 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, and 3 will be written here. 5 2s are 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. So here also we got remainder 3. So 5 is also not the factor of 63. Okay, now let's find if 6 is a factor of 63 or not. Okay, 6 ones are 6. We'll take 3 here. 6 zeros are 0. 3. Here also we got remainder 3. So 6 is also not the factor of 63. Okay, now 7. 7 nines are 63. 63 minus 63 is 0. So here we'll write 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Here 7 and 9 are the factors. 7 and 9 are the factors of 63. Okay. Now we have completed 7. After that we'll take 8. 8 8s are 64 will not get 63 in 8 table. So 8 is also not the factor of 63. Next 9. 9 already we had completed here. So we'll take these numbers as factors. Okay. The factors of 63 are 1, 3 1 3 7 9 21 63. We will write in ascending order. Okay, 1 3 7 9 21 63. These are the factors of 63. Okay, like this you have to find by division. Okay, you have to do divisions like this by dividing the number by 2 3 4 5 6 7 up like that. Okay, if you get remainder 0, then it will be the factor of that number. If you get remainder any number, then it will not be the factor of that number. Okay, like this you have to do, find factors of any number. In the question they will give by division, means you have to do like this by dividing. If they give multiplication, means you have to find by multiplying. Okay, look here, this is textbook page number 149, exercise 5. Okay, look at first bit, match the numbers in the box to their factors. Okay, look here children, first 7 5 3 10 33 50 84 120. Okay, next 15 11 12 8. Okay, we have to match these by factors, these numbers factors we have to match. Okay, look here in the question, here this wrong given, it will be 10, so that we can match correctly. Okay, 5 tens are 50. Next, in 3 table when we get 33, yes, 3 11s are 33. Next, 10. In 10 table when we get 120, 10 12s are 120. Okay, this 8 is extra given. Here we have doubled, no? So it will be extra. Like this you have to match. These are the factors of these numbers. Okay, now look at second bit, find the factors by multiplication. 14 15 16 48 23 35 36 55 given. You have to find the factors of these numbers by multiplication. Okay, I will explain two problems for you. You have to do remaining. Okay, already I explained D problem 48. Find the factors of 48 by multiplication. Here I already explained, so you can write from here. Okay, next I will explain first one, 14. Okay, we have to find the factors of 14 by multiplication. By multiplication. Okay, very simple. 1 14s are 14. In 2 table when we get 14, yes, 2 7s are 14. In 3 table we will get 14, no. 4 table, no. 5, no. 6 2s are 12, will not get 14. 7 2s are 14, will get. So here already we have completed. Here 1 and 14 are the factors. 1 and 14 are the factors. And here 2 and 7 are the factors. 2 and 7 are the factors. Okay, up to here we will complete. The factors of 14 are 1 2 7 14. Okay, these are the factors of 14. This is by multiplication. Now look, you can do this B C D already said, A already said, E F G H. Okay, I will explain H1. Okay, look here, 55 is given. 55. Okay, 155s are 55. So 1 and 55 are the factors of 55. Are the factors. Okay, next in 2 table we will get 55. No, will not get 55. Okay, we will do division here. Look, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, and this 5 will be written here. 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. 1, we got remainder 1, so it is not divisible by 2. Next 3 table also will not get 55. 4 also will not get 5. Yes, 5 11 5s are 55. 5 11s are 55. Okay, here 5 and 11 are the factors. Okay, next in 6 table we will get 55. No. 7, no. 8, no. 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, will not get 55. 10 also will not. 11 already completed, so up to here we'll stop this problem. The factors of 55 are 1 5 11 55. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now you have to do this remaining all as homeworks. Now look at third bit, find the factors by division. Okay, by doing division you have to find the factors. Already I explained here 63 F answer. Okay, by division I have explained this. You have to do the remaining problems. Okay, now I will explain first A answer. What is the question given? 18. So first 1 and 18 are the factors of 18. Okay, the number itself and 1 will be the factors for any all numbers. 1 and 18 are factors of 18. Now we'll divide 18 by 2. Okay, 1 completed, so 2. In 2 table we will get 18. Yes, 2 9s are 18. So here 2 and 9 are the factors. 2 and 9 are factors. Next we have to divide 18 by 3. Okay, in 3 table we will get 18. Yes, 3 6 are 18. So here 3 and 6 are the factors. Next 18 divided by 4. In 4 table we will get 18. No. In 5 table we will get 18. No. 6 already completed, so we will stop up to here. Now we'll write the answer. The factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 18. Okay, this is the first answer. Okay, like this you have to find the factors of these numbers by division. Okay, this is by multiplication and this is by division. Already explained A and F. You have to do the remaining problems as homework. Okay, complete your notes up to here. Okay, thank you.